Hey and welcome! Let's talk about something you do every day, eating, and how it may relate to your migraine headaches. Migraine headaches are not directly caused by nutrition alone. They're influenced by a complex mix of genetic, neurological, and environmental factors. However, diet can strongly affect migraine headache frequency and severity because certain foods, eating patterns, and hydration levels can trigger attacks or make them worse. For some people, certain foods can act as triggers. Common ones include aged cheeses, processed meats like salami or pepperoni, chocolate, red wine or alcohol, caffeinated drinks, artificial sweeteners like aspartame, and foods with MSG, monosodium glutamate. Not everyone is sensitive to these. The key is learning what your personal triggers are, and the best way to do that is through your migraine headache diary. Try this. When a migraine headache strikes, write down what you ate that day and the day before. Over time, you might notice patterns, like getting a headache a few hours after eating smoked meats or skipping meals. Skipping meals, by the way, is a very common trigger. Low blood sugar can stress the body and set off a migraine headache. So aim for regular, balanced meals. So, what should you eat? There's no one perfect migraine diet, but a few general tips can help. Eat regularly, every 3-4 hours, don't skip meals. Stay hydrated. Dehydration is a big trigger for some. Focus on whole fruits, vegetables, and grains. Consume lean proteins and healthy fats. Limit ultra-processed foods. They often contain additives that might trigger migraine headaches. Some nutrients may actually help prevent migraine headaches. One of the most studied is magnesium. Magnesium helps regulate nerve and muscle function, and low levels are linked to higher migraine headache risk. Magnesium is found in foods like leafy green vegetables, nuts and seeds, legumes, and whole grains. Some people with migraine headaches have lower magnesium levels. Adding more magnesium-rich foods or supplements with your doctor's guidance may help reduce how often migraine headaches occur. Another nutrient with promise is riboflavin or vitamin B2. Vitamin B2 supports energy production in brain cells, which may be impaired during migraine headaches. Good food sources include dairy products, eggs, and lean meat. Research suggests vitamin B2 may help reduce migraine headache frequency when taken consistently. Supplements may be helpful, but talk to your doctor or pharmacist first. Omega-3 fatty acids are essential fats with powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation is thought to play a role in the development and persistence of migraine headaches, and omega-3 may help counteract this process. Food sources include fatty fish such as salmon, sardines, mackerel, trout, and tuna, but try to choose low-mercury options. Plant sources like chia seeds, flax seeds, hemp seeds, and walnuts. Fortified products such as omega-3, enriched eggs, or certain plant-based milks. For those who struggle to get enough from food, omega-3 supplements such as fish oil may be considered, but it's best to discuss this with a healthcare provider to determine the right dose and type. There's also coenzyme Q10, or CoQ10, a compound made in your body and found in foods like meat and fish. Some studies show CoQ10 supplements may reduce the number of migraine headaches over time. Again, always check before adding a new supplement. Watch out for hidden ingredients too. Some packaged foods contain monosodium glutamate or MSG, artificial sweeteners, nitrates or nitrites. These can be hidden under names like flavor enhancer or preservative. Reading labels takes a little practice, but it helps you make informed choices.
So here's the bottom line. Food can either support your recovery or quietly contribute to more migraine headaches. By paying attention, eating regularly, and focusing on whole foods, you give your body the best chance at feeling well.